How to create a Discord server in 30 seconds. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Discord template and click on Discord templates. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, you can click on the search bar and search for the type of server you want, or scroll down and you'll find all these options. Click on View Template. I'm simply clicking on Gaming Template. Now, at the bottom, it will give you all the details. Click on Use Template at the top. After you click on Use Template, make sure you log into your account and press on Authorize. After that, it will directly lead you to your Discord app. You can add your server name in here and then press on Create Server at the bottom. After you do that, your server will be created. This is how to create a Discord server in 30 seconds. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.